Ever wanted to know how to strengthen your immune system naturally? Hello, my successful and healthy earthlings. Mihaela Raguse here, naturopath and founder of the Natural Health Podcast. Today, I will share with you how you are able to overcome the cold and flu season without any drugs. Welcome to the Natural Health Podcast, where we bring awareness of sustainable health in the business hustle space. Natural Health Podcast is perfect for the high-performing, business-minded individuals who want to work with their biochemistry to achieve success and optimal health. It's Tuesday, which means it's time for this week's top product review. Let's get straight into it. Yes. There is a natural way to strengthen your immune system this autumn, this winter, this cold and flu season. And you can make this tonic at home if you wish. Or if you wait till the end, I'm going to share with you where to get it from to get the best one available out there here in Australia, right? What am I talking about? I am talking about Fire Cider Tonic. That's right. The Fire Cider Tonic has been around for centuries. Maybe your mum, maybe your grandma or grandpa used this back in the days because it is an old recipe. It's been around about 100 years or so, right? If not more that we know of, right? So what it is it actually combines hot, sweet, pungent and sour taste all in one drink, which activates and assists the immune system, right? So the original recipe looked something like this. It contained fresh garlic. Why? We all know that garlic reduces the severity of cold and flu symptoms. Fresh ginger. Who doesn't love ginger, right? It fights infection and is also good for nausea because, when we're feeling a little bit under the weather, we may get that nausea with it. It contained horseradish. Yes, horseradish is pungent and it assists with that sinus congestion that we get when we have the cold and flu, right? Onions, similar effect to garlic, but absolutely amazing antibacterial and so forth. Cayenne pepper, wow, right? Antiviral, antibacterial properties, so many amazing properties in pepper. And then it is all soaked in apple cider vinegar. What an amazing digestive tonic apple cider vinegar is, but it is also antibacterial. It has antibacterial properties in it. And then at the end, it's mixed in with honey, right? So you let the above things that I mentioned soak in the apple cider vinegar for 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks, right? Depending how pungent you want it. And then you put it in a shot glass if you want to, if you really want to go for it, you shot it down. And what you can also do is put in a bit of warm water with a bit of honey if you want to, if it's too much for you. It's so interesting. I have these nearly every, autumn, winter coming up, and I'm like, I have shots in the morning. What an exciting morning it is for me, right? Shots in the morning. That's the way that I like to start my mornings in winter to ensure that I strengthen my immune system, right? So you can take, like I said, 2 to 3 tablespoons, which is about a shot glass. You can pour it into water or into a juice or anything that you're able to keep down, because for some people it may be a little bit too much. What you can also add in there is some herbs, right? You can add in some herbs like rosemary and so forth. I'm not the biggest fan of rosemary because it doesn't really taste that nice for me. Rosemary for me just made it not that nice. It was a bit like, oh, it's a bit too much for me. But you can add in absolutely anything that you want that's going to get you to put that ginger, that apple cider vinegar and the garlic inside of your body and get it in there. If you don't want to make this at home, you can go online onto www.buchi.com.au and get your hands on some Australian organic fire cider. What they put in there is absolutely amazing. They've got raw kombucha vinegar, ginger root, onion, garlic, lemon, sauerkraut juice. So you're getting the fermented cabbage in there. You're getting the turmeric root, chili, peppers, horseradish, Murray River salt, and absolutely loads and loads of love. And the thing that I love about it is it comes in a glass bottle. Yes, I love it. I absolutely love it. So there you go. To fight your cold and flu season this winter, jump onto Butchie via cider or make your own. Absolutely amazing. If you want more detail, click down below. And until next Tuesday, love you.